Hello everyone, welcome to Honara's Arts and Lifestyle YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be all about dresses for deities, and we are only going to sell saris in this video, okay? And I'm going to show you so many varieties of saris that we have done, and all of these are going to be new varieties for you all. So this is going to be a fusion of North Indian and South Indian style, something which I have tried to recreate using various kinds of fabrics and all. These ones are not silk fabric. So let me repeat, these are not silk fabric, but at the same time we have not used canvas cloth or anything. We have instead used lining cloth, which means that you can wash it multiple times and yet you don't have to worry about the quality of the dresses that you are purchasing. Initially, when I had released a video, I never expected that so many of you would love to purchase these dresses from us. And the kind of response that we got from you all was tremendous. It was too good. And it is so good that we are not able to meet your demand. So for that reason, temporarily we have stopped selling the silk saris as well as jewelry, because definitely we will not be able to meet the deadline for Navratri. The problem over here is that we have got only one tailor who can give you this good finishing and this kind of a quality, and that person can only stitch 30 dresses in a day, and the amount of order that we get in the first 5 days of releasing video is nearly 750 dresses. So which means it's going to take more than a month, for us to get them stitched and delivered. So initially when we planned to sell these dresses, the number of subscribers I had was less, and we had not expected that we are going to get such a great response. So we were thinking of going it like a small scale business or a small scale selling. But now I think because so many of you are joining my YouTube channel and subscribing, and I think we are going to get huge number of customers also. So for which we cannot think anything in small scale now, we just have to go big. And to make it big, I think we are going to need a few days of time, and that is why I will be requesting you all to please wait for a few days time until I release the video. So whenever we are ready to sell these items, I'll be releasing videos and you can start purchasing from there on. And please note that any dresses or any items that I'm going to sell will be having 3 weeks of lead time for your delivery. So please make your payment if and only if, I repeat, please make your payment if and only if you are ready to wait. Please do not give me special requests saying that you want this order in 1 week time or 15 days time, because we know that we'll not be able to meet it. And I do not want to give false promises while I know that I'll not be able to make the delivery. I request you all to please also note that I'm not doing this business for the living. I'm doing it as a seva for you all. So it really doesn't make any sense for me to do this business unless I don't meet your requirements. That is, whether it is in terms of quality or in terms of your dates for the delivery. So if I'm not able to do it properly, then there is no point in doing it, and that is why we have stopped it temporarily. So I request you all to bear with me. And please do keep in mind that we will have to give a pause or stop selling the items when we start getting too many orders. And again, we will have to start selling it. So this phase is going to continue like that. Like we are going to stop, like we are going to make this video private when we think that we have got too many orders, and until those orders are delivered, we are going to keep the video in private mode and not accept any orders. And once we are ready for the next batch, then again we are going to make this video public so that you all can see and start ordering again. So please bear that in mind. And for placing the order, please send a WhatsApp message on this particular number. And please note that we will not be able to receive any of your calls. So please do not call on this number. Just send us a WhatsApp message or a voice message and we will be getting back to you for sure. We will be responding to you on any day from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock in the afternoon and from 7 o'clock to 9 o'clock in the evening. The reason why we will not be able to respond to your WhatsApp messages immediately is because we are all working professionals and we are not doing this business as our main stream of work, and that is the reason why we will not be able to give too much of time for the WhatsApp messages. But I can only promise you that we are definitely going to get back to you and respond to each one of your messages. For placing your orders, all we are going to need is the code of the dress and the measurement. So in the later part of the video, I'll be telling you on how to take measurement for your deity for the dresses. So just send us the code from this video along with the measurement, and that is more than enough for us. Now, without wasting much time, let me just show you on what is this new variety of dress that we have stitched and how does it look. So I'm just going to demonstrate one of the dresses by dressing up this deity, that is Bhuvaneshwari Devi, and all the other dresses are going to be in the similar fashion, just that the designs are going to be different. So this is the fabric that we have used to make a skirt like this. Okay, it comes with 2 threads to tie at each ends, and if I turn it at the back side, you can see that it is not a canvas cloth that is used, but rather we have used a lining cloth to make sure that the fabric doesn't get damaged even if you try to wash it. Okay, so this happens to be the skirt. Okay, and this is the blouse. So in the other silk sarees, the kind of blouses that we were giving was just the border, right? But over here you are going to get different styles of blouses which are being stitched, customized to your idols. All you need to do is you just need to give the length of your idol from the waist of the idol until either the bottom, or from the waist until the table or the stool on which you have actually rested the idol. So that much you just have to give this length, and we will be able to give you the corresponding blouses which matches that size. So you don't have to worry in giving us any other kind of measurement. All we need is from here till here. And just one tip for you all, just in case if the hands are actually attached to the leg, or if there is a veena for the Saraswati which is attached to the leg, then try to purchase a dress which doesn't spread too much, that is, which has got less width. In case if you are finding a dress which spreads like this, then it is not going to suit your idol. So try to buy a dress which has got a narrow width at the waist. So this blouse has got 4 threads, 2 threads to tie at the neck and the bottom 2 threads to tie at the waist. And this dress also comes with a dupatta like this, or a chunri that you can actually put on the head of the deity. And each one of these chunris for different designs is going to have different style and different cloth used. So as soon as you start looking at the photos in the catalog, you'll be able to understand what is the kind of chunri that we have used. And these dresses are going to be slightly expensive when compared to the silk dresses because of the type of material that we have used, which is slightly expensive. And not just that, it is also difficult to stitch blouse pieces like this. Okay, by giving all these lining cloth at the back side and all that. So the amount of work which is required will be more, and the material which is being used for the dresses are going to be slightly expensive, and you're also going to get extra chunri. So for this reason, the prices for these kind of dresses are going to be slightly on a higher side. Now let me just show you by draping on how to do it. So for the blouse, just keep it over here like this and take the top 2 threads and tie it at her back side near the neck. And these 2 threads you have to tie it at the waist. And for the skirt, all you need to do is just tie these 2 threads. And that is it. See how simple it was, and it really looks like a proper blouse and a proper dress. And now the last bit to do is just put a chunri on her head in this way, and we are done with the dress. So whatever dresses that I am showing in this catalog, it's going to have similar styles, that is in terms of tying or draping it, but the design of the dresses are going to be different. So now that you have understood on how the dresses look like or how to use it for draping, now let me just show you the various designs that we have in the catalog so that you all can select. So I hope you all have liked this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get automatic notifications every time I release a new video. Thank you.